Welcome to our latest video. In this tutorial, we will be implementing a support and resistance identification system. Using this system, we will identify levels of significance in the movement of price. Levels of significance are identified using significant highs and lows. Significant highs are identified using blue horizontal lines. Significant lows are identified using red horizontal lines. Before we begin implementing our system, we will need to install the MetaTrader 5 platform. From within the Meta editor, we will create a new file. We will select the Expert Advisor template option. We will name our file Support and Resistance, and the file will be stored within the Expert Advisor tutorial folder. Before we begin coding, access to the full code is available from the Support and Resistance data repository. The full code implementation with comments is included within the repository. To begin our code implementation, we will begin at the top of our file. We will import the necessary include files. These files contain the necessary classes required to identify our levels of significance, as well as draw our horizontal lines. We will define our high and low data object. My high-low data is an instance of the class that has the necessary methods to identify levels of significance. We will use my high-low data to access these methods. Within the onTick function, we will define our code implementation. First, from within my high-low data, we will use the addArrayData method. This method is based on the copyBuffer function. The addArrayData method adds the most recent prices to the array within the object. Without this method, we cannot access the most recent prices. Next, we access the most significant highs and lows between the various ranges in price. Using the high value method, we can access the highest high between the start and end index. Using the low value method, we can access the lowest low between the start and end index. The 5 to 20 range represents the most significant range in price, since it is the closest to the current price. We will output our significant levels in price as horizontal lines. The significant highs will be represented using blue horizontal lines. The significant lows will be represented using red horizontal lines.